Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to explain how rain starts using the water cycle. First, the sun heats water in oceans, lakes, and rivers. Due to this heat, the water changes into water vapor and rises into the air. This process is called evaporation. As the water vapor rises higher in the sky, the temperature becomes cooler. Because of this cooling, the vapor turns into tiny water droplets. These droplets gather together to form clouds. This process is known as condensation. As time passes, more and more droplets join the clouds, making them bigger and heavier. When the droplets become too heavy to stay in the air, they fall down to the earth in the form of rain. This process is called precipitation. After the rain falls, the water collects in rivers, lakes, oceans, and even underground. This is called collection. Then, the cycle starts again with the sun heating the water. So, the process of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection together is called the water cycle. Thank you.